So today we're going to go over measures of central tendency. This is the beginning of the univariate data unit that we're going to be covering. And univariate data just means one-sided data, okay? So measures of central tendency. You want to make sure that you know the words measures of central tendency and that it means these four things. These are the four things you're going to be finding, or these are the four things they're talking about when they're talking about measures of central tendency. The first one is the average, which is the sum of the numbers divided by n, which is the total amount of numbers. That is the mean. The mean is known as the average. The middle number, when the numbers are written in order, is known as the median. So the median is the middle number. If n is even, then the median is the average of the two middle numbers. The number that occurs the most is known as the mode. And the biggest number minus the smallest number is the range. So now in our examples below, it wants us to find the mean, median, mode, and range for the data set. Now here it says step 1 is to write in increasing order. Increasing order, increasing means getting larger, so from smallest to largest. So we're going to take these numbers and we're going to rewrite them from smallest to largest. So starting with 85, then we have 86, we have two 90s, and as you see I'm crossing them off as I go through to make sure that I use every number, 91, and 92. Now that we have them in increasing order, we can start finding the mean, median, mode, and range. The mean is the average. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our calculators and we're going to add each of these numbers together. And we get 534. The mean is the sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we're going to do 534 divided by 6. So 534 divided by 6 gives us 89. If you get a decimal like 0.5, leave it as 0.5, or 0.2 or 0.7. One decimal place is okay. The median is the middle number when written in order. So if I want the middle number, I'm going to start on the outside, and I'm going to work on the outside and work my way in until I get to the middle number. And now I can see that my middle number is in between 90 and 90. So what we can do is we can find the average of the two middle numbers. 90 plus 90 is 180, divided by 2 is still 90. So our median is 90. The mode is the number that occurs the most. So which number do you see repeating the most? You see 90 repeating the most, so mode is 90. And then our range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So our biggest number is 92 minus our smallest number of 85. So 92 minus 85 gives us 7. So then this is our mean, median, mode, and range. So now this video is going to end, and I want you to spend the time finding the mean, median, mode, and range for examples 2 and examples 3.